Ever feel like you're missing the best trend trades or getting in too early on weak moves? This strategy helps you trade real trends with confluence and clarity. This setup uses two custom indicators. 1. Advanced ADX, a histogram version of ADX that shows trend strength and direction. Green bars equals bullish, red bars equals bearish. 2. AFL Winner, an oscillator that swings between 0 to 100, detecting overbought, oversold retracements. How to trade. Trend filter. Use a 50-period simple moving average. If price is above the SMA and the SMA is sloping up, you're looking for long trades. If price is below the SMA and the SMA slopes down, look for shorts. Entry, buy. Advanced ADX bars turn green, and the AFL winner bars turn lime coming from the bottom. Entry, sell. ADX bars turn red, and the AFL winner bars turn red coming from the top. Stop loss. Place it at the fractal, below the entry candle for longs, above for shorts. Exit. Close the trade when either the ADX histogram flips color or the AFL winner bars reverse. Don't force trades in choppy markets. Only take signals when the 50 simple moving average confirms a clear trend. And size your trade so risk is limited. Protect your capital with that fractal-based stop. This strategy gives you trend-filtered entries plus retracement timing, a powerful combo. Go to forexmt4indicators.com to grab the free advanced ADX and AFL winner indicators plus template. Try it on demo first and see how it works for you.